Let me show you something real quick. This right here, $10,847 in a single month. No employees, no office, no physical product, just one person, a laptop, and a handful of AI agents running in the background while they slept. Now, before you click away thinking this is some kind of scam, I want you to stick with me for just 60 seconds. Because what I'm about to show you isn't a get-rich-quick gimmick. It's not crypto, it's not drop shipping, and it's not some shady MLM pyramid. This is a real economic shift happening right now. And the people who understand it early are quietly building income streams that most people won't even believe are possible. By the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly what AI agents are, how ordinary people, not programmers, not tech geniuses, are using them to make serious money, and the specific business models you can start building this week. Stay with me. This one's going to change how you think about work, money, and what's actually possible in 2025. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we break down real ways to build income using technology, without the fluff and without the fake lifestyle nonsense. I've spent the last several months going deep on AI agents, interviewing people who are actually making money with them, testing business models myself, and separating what works from what's just hype. And what I found genuinely surprised me, because when most people think about AI, they think about ChatGPT. They think about asking it to write an email or summarize an article. That's like buying a Formula One car and only using it to drive to the grocery store. AI agents are something fundamentally different. And once you understand what they actually do, you'll immediately see why people are building entire businesses on top of them. Let's get into it. Section 1. What are AI agents? Okay, so what exactly is an AI agent? Here's the simplest way I can put it. A regular AI tool like ChatGPT waits for you to ask it something and then it responds. That's it. One prompt, one response. You're doing all the work. An AI agent is different. An AI agent can be given a goal, and then it figures out the steps, takes actions, uses tools, browses the internet, sends emails, fills in forms, and loops through a process on its own until the job is done. Think of it this way. If regular AI is a calculator, an AI agent is an employee. You tell an employee, go find me the top 50 real estate leads in Dallas, research each one, send personalized outreach emails, and follow up in 3 days if they don't respond. And they go do it. That's what an AI agent can do. Right now. Today. Let me give you a real-world example so this clicks. A woman named Sarah, she runs a one-person marketing consultancy. Before AI agents, she was spending 12 to 15 hours a week just doing research, writing first drafts of content, scheduling social media posts, and responding to routine client questions. She set up a system of AI agents using tools like Make.com, Zapier, and Claude. Now those agents handle all of that automatically. They pull data from the internet, write drafts based on her templates, post to her clients' social media, and send pre-approved responses to common client inquiries. She went from billing 5 or 6 clients to billing 14 because she had the capacity. Her monthly revenue went from around $4,000 to over $11,000 in 4 months. She didn't hire anyone. She just built better systems. That's the power of AI agents. They multiply your capacity without multiplying your costs. Now, let's talk about the actual business models, because there are several clear paths people are using right now, and some are more accessible than others depending on your skills and starting point. Section 2. The 5 business models. This is the most popular model right now, and honestly, one of the most lucrative if you execute it right. Here's the concept. Businesses have problems. Repetitive, time-consuming problems. And most of them have no idea that AI agents can solve those problems in a fraction of the time. Your job is to go find those businesses, understand their pain points, and build custom AI agent systems that solve them. You don't need to be a coder. Tools like Make.com, Zapier, N8N, and Relevance AI let you build these systems visually, like connecting Lego blocks. You might spend a weekend learning the platform, build a solution in a few hours, and then charge a client $2,000 to $5,000 to set it up, and another $500 to $1,500 per month to maintain it. Think about what you can automate. appointment reminders, lead follow-up sequences, customer service chatbots, invoice processing, social media scheduling, review generation for local businesses. One guy named Marcus, he targeted dental offices. He built a simple AI agent system that automatically followed up with patients who hadn't booked in over 6 months, sent personalized reminder messages, and responded to common questions on the clinic's website chat widget. He charged each dental office $3,500 to set it up and $800 per month to run it. He landed 8 clients in his first 3 months. Do the math, that's $28,000 in setup fees, plus $6,400 per month in recurring revenue, all within 90 days of starting. The key with the AI agency model is to pick a niche. Don't try to serve everyone. Go deep on one industry: real estate agents, dentists, gyms, law firms, e-commerce stores. Become the AI person for that industry. That's where the money is. Business model number 2, AI-powered content and SEO services. Content is still king, and AI agents have completely changed the economics of content production. Here's the old way. A business needs 50 blog posts. They hire a writer. It costs them $75 to $150 per post. That's $3,050 to $7,500, and it takes months. Here's the new way. You build an AI agent workflow that researches keywords, outlines posts, writes drafts, optimizes for SEO, and even suggests internal links. And you can do that in hours instead of months. Now, here's the important part. And I want to be direct about this because some people skip it and wonder why it doesn't work. The AI produces the foundation, but a human editor reviews it, adds expertise, and makes it genuinely useful. That's the quality control that makes clients keep paying you. The business model is simple. You charge clients a monthly retainer, typically $1,500 to $4,000 per month, for a set number of SEO-optimized articles per week. You use an AI agent workflow to handle 80% of the production. You spend your time on strategy, editing, and client communication. 3 clients at $2,000 per month each is $6,000. 5 clients is $10,000. And because your production costs are so low, your profit margins are enormous. This is one of the fastest models to get started because the demand is massive. Every single business with a website wants more traffic. You're offering them a solution that actually works. Business model number 3, AI-powered lead. Lead generation is one of the oldest business models on the internet, but AI agents have made it dramatically more powerful. The basic idea: businesses pay for leads. A warm lead in the mortgage industry can be worth $50 to $200. A lead in the B2B software space can be worth $300 to $500. Your job is to generate those leads and sell them. Here's how AI agents change the game. You can build an agent that scrapes public data to find prospects matching specific criteria, enriches that data with emails and phone numbers, runs personalized outreach campaigns, qualifies leads through automated conversations, and delivers only the warm, interested contacts to the business. What used to require a sales team of 5 people, prospecting, researching, reaching out, following up, can now be largely automated with the right agent stack. One entrepreneur I spoke with, she sells leads to local roofing contractors. After a hailstorm or a major weather event, homeowners need roofing work. She built an agent system that identifies affected zip codes, finds homeowner contacts through public records, sends out outreach messages, and filters responses. She sells each qualified lead for $40 to $75. In a good month, after a storm season, she's moving 200 to 300 leads. That's $8,000 to $22,500 in a single month, with very low overhead. Business model number 4, selling AI automation, templates and courses. Once you've built AI agent systems for yourself or clients, those systems have value beyond the original client. You can package them as templates and sell them. Platforms like Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, and even Etsy are full of people selling automation templates for Make.com and Zapier workflows. Prices range from $27 for a simple template to $497 for a complete workflow bundle. If you build something genuinely useful, say a complete client onboarding automation system for freelancers, and you sell it at $97. You only need 104 sales to hit $10,000. With the right SEO, YouTube channel, or even just good Pinterest and Twitter marketing, that's very achievable. Beyond templates, online courses teaching people how to build with AI agents are extremely popular right now. The market is hungry for real, practical, step-by-step instruction. A course priced between $297 and $997 doesn't need massive student numbers to generate significant revenue. This model compounds over time. A YouTube video you make today teaching a specific AI agent workflow can drive sales 2 years from now. You build once, you earn continuously. Business model, number 5, AI-powered freelance services. This is the model with the lowest barrier to entry. And it's perfect if you already have a freelance skill set. Are you a writer, a graphic designer, a video editor, a virtual assistant, a data analyst? AI agents can dramatically increase your output without decreasing your quality. A virtual assistant using AI agent tools can handle the workload of 3 VAs. A data analyst using AI agents can produce reports that would normally take a week in a single afternoon. The move is simple. Don't lower your prices because you're using AI. Raise them because your results are better and faster. And take on more clients because you have the capacity. On Upwork and Fiverr, top-rated freelancers who position themselves as AI-enhanced specialists are commanding premium prices and winning more jobs because they can promise faster turnaround and more consistent results. A copywriter who used to earn $3,000 a month working with 4 clients can restructure to 10 clients at the same per project rate because each project now takes a third of the time. That's $7,500 to $10,000 per month from the same skill set. Just leverage smarter. Section 3. The tools you need. Okay, let's talk about the actual tools, because one question I always get is, do I need to know how to code? For most of these models, the answer is no. The AI agent ecosystem has become incredibly accessible. Here's a breakdown of what you actually need. For building automations without code, Make.com and Zapier are the 2 most popular no-code platforms. They let you connect apps and build automated workflows visually. N8N is a slightly more technical option that gives you more flexibility, and it can be self-hosted for free for AI reasoning and decision-making. Claude by Anthropic, GPT-4, and Gemini are the main language models you'll be feeding tasks to. These are the brains of your agent. Claude in particular is extremely strong at following complex instructions and working through multi-step tasks. For outreach and communication, Instantly, SmartLead, and Apollo.io are popular for email outreach. ManyChat and ManyChat integrations handle messaging on Instagram and Facebook. Twilio handles SMS for research and data. Appify, Browse.ai, and Phantom Buster handle web scraping. Clay is a favorite in the sales and lead gen world for data enrichment. For building AI chatbots and agents with a UI, VoiceFlow, BotPress, and Relevance AI let you build customer-facing AI agents with no coding needed. Total monthly cost to get started. Depending on scale, you can realistically get a functional AI agent stack running for $50 to $200 per month. That's your startup cost. Compare that to the cost of actually hiring people to do the same tasks, and the ROI is obvious. One recommendation: don't try to learn all of these at once. Pick one automation platform. I'd start with Make.com, and one AI model and go deep. Build one working system, then expand. Section 4. How to get your first client or first sale. Here's where most people get stuck. And I want to be practical about this because I've seen too many people build great systems and then make $0 because they don't know how to get their first client. Let me give you a simple playbook. Step 1. Pick your model and your niche. Don't try to do everything. Pick one business model from what we covered and pick one type of client or customer. Specificity is what makes you memorable and referable. Step 2. Build a proof of concept system first. Before you pitch anyone, build the thing. Build an AI agent workflow that actually works. If you're targeting dentists, build the patient re-engagement system. If you're doing content, write 10 sample articles using your workflow. You need something real to show. Step 3. Get your first client for free or cheap. I know you're thinking free, but here's the logic. Your first client gives you a case study. Offer your first client a heavily discounted rate, or even a free trial, in exchange for a testimonial and documented results. That case study is worth 10 times the fee you gave up. Step 4. Use that case study everywhere. Post about it on LinkedIn. Make a YouTube video walking through the results. Reply to people in Facebook groups and forums who are asking the exact problem you solved. Let the proof do the talking. Step 5. Raise your prices for client number 2. Now you have social proof. Now you can charge full rate. And referrals from your first client will come if you delivered results. This cycle, done consistently over 90 days, is how people go from $0 to $5,000, $8,000, $10,000 per month. It's not magic. It's just a system, like the AI agents themselves. Section 5. The honest reality. Check. I want to take 60 seconds here to be completely real with you, because I hate when people make this stuff sound like it's effortless. It is not effortless. Building AI agent systems takes learning. It takes troubleshooting. Some automations will break and you'll spend hours figuring out why. Some clients will be difficult. Some months will be slow. The $10,000 month doesn't happen in week 1. For most people building these businesses from scratch, it takes 3 to 6 months of consistent effort to reach that level. Some people get there faster, some take longer. But here's what's also true. The skills you're building are genuinely valuable, genuinely rare, and genuinely in demand. Unlike a lot of make money online advice that becomes outdated in 2 years, understanding how to build automated AI systems is going to be relevant for the next decade. Businesses are going to keep needing this. They're not going back. So, yes, there's real work involved, but the ceiling on this is very high, and the barrier to entry is lower than it has ever been, right now, in this specific moment. The people who start building today will have a significant advantage over the people who wait until this is mainstream knowledge. So, let's recap what we covered today. AI agents are not just fancy chatbots. They are autonomous systems that can research, write, communicate, and take actions on behalf of your business, running around the clock without you. The 5 business models where people are making $10,000 per month or more using AI agents right now are the AI agency, AI-powered content and SEO services, AI-powered lead generation, selling templates and courses, and supercharged freelancing. The tools are accessible, the costs are low, and the demand from businesses is only growing. The path to your first $10,000 month starts with picking one model, building one system, getting one client, and building from there. If you found this video valuable, and I genuinely hope you did, please hit the like button. It tells YouTube that this content is worth sharing, and that's how I can keep making videos like this for free. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be doing a deep dive follow-up video where I walk through setting up an actual AI agent system step by step, from scratch, on screen, no experience needed. You don't want to miss that. And drop a comment below. Which of the 5 business models are you most interested in starting? I read every comment and I'll point you toward the most useful resources based on where you want to go. I'll see you in the next one.